Today we are in Mikulov, one of the places that is must to see in Czech Republic. It's one of the beautiful places where one big gigantic castle is, and we are just about to approach that big castle. The castle has a very long history, and Napoleon Bonaparte chose this place to conduct talks after the Austerlitz. We get today a very strong wind, but the view is magnificent. The castle itself is huge. So if you want to have a trip, you can, with a guide, you can select one. There are 4, I think. Each is approximately 30 minutes, and you can visit the castle inside. I didn't do it. To be honest, I didn't have so much time to go through the whole castle, but the surroundings are anyway impressive. And you can buy a nice bag in the store. By the way, this is a round trip, so when you start at the bottom, you go all the way up, then you go down.